Hey, good morning, guys. How's everybody doing? Hopefully you are staying safe in this situation that we're living these days. This video is in a different camera on the new GoPro 8 Black, Hero 8 Black, as you can see. So bear with me if the microphone quality is not that good. I'm just trying it out, and I still have to buy external microphones and stuff like that. All right, so today's car, we have a 2017 Toyota Yaris. Oh, there's a lot of wind. I'm sure this is gonna be crappy audio. Anyways, just trying it. So this is my daily driver, guys, the one that I take to work, etc., etc. Good fuel efficiency, great driving position, really a commuter car, right? For all intents and purposes. Very good for it does the job very well. It's got great fuel economy. It drives very good in traffic. You go through any little tiny spot or drive your way around the traffic jams. All right, let's have a look at it. I'll give you some of the specs. It is a 2017 Yaris LE. It's got 106 horsepower from the 1.5 liter engine and 103 foot-pound of torque.
La cuenta de Instagram de
Cold startup. Here we have interior, not bad. We got plenty of coffee spaces, storage spaces. We got one here. Then we got the center console. We got one here for the sunglasses, 2 cup holders, your handbrake. Then you have your traction control and stability control, which you can fully turn off. Big rear cup holder here. 4-speed transmission with overdrive, charging and USB, and also auxiliary. Those 12-volt charger, your AC controllers, your multimedia center, hazards. In the steering wheel we have volume, and then we have a change of the favorite stations and the mode for flipping from FM to AM to auxiliary. It does has lane warning departure. It does not keep you on the lane, but it does give you a warning when you're veering off the lane. It also has a forward collision alert. It doesn't brake for you, but it does tells you it does start buzz an alarm. And here's the system and the cameras. It's got 2 cameras there, as you can see. AC vents are the round type on the corners, and then the regular rectangle here on the center. Seats are comfortable for, I mean, it's economy car, a commuter car. Seats are comfortable. I like it. In the back, plenty of space. As you can see, I fit a car seat there too for the kid, so not bad at all. Let me give you a view of the rear. I am 5'8". This is my driving position. And let me sit behind myself. All right, here's the 5'8" position. I'm sitting behind myself. I mean, for this being an economy car, this is just really good, actually. I think you can see there, plenty of space here in the back. Got the car seat here, so you got room for 2 adults, 3 if you want to squeeze them in. Here's the hatch. All right, let's look at the trunk and the engine bay. Here you have the hatchback. We got the Yaris mat. Down here you have the spare tire and the jack. The jack is actually under the seat. Sorry guys, some truck now here with the idling. Alright guys, here's the engine. This engine has been on the on Toyota lineup since 2004 when they introduced the Scion XA. Like I said, 106 horsepower, 103 torque. Bulletproof engine, proven through many years. Same for the transmission. The battery, believe it or not, is still the original one. This is a 2017, so it's coming up to it's on 3 years now. Let me give you a quick walk around. There you go, guys. That's a quick review of my 2017 Toyota Yaris LE. It's got 46,000 miles. It's been good to me. I bought it with actually 42,000. I've barely driven it now with this issue going on. Leave your comments. If you have any questions, let me know and I'll try to answer them for you. Thanks.